Right, guys, this is the best way to pop your back ever. It allows you to get that kind of like chiropractic adjustment, but on your own. So you don't need to go to the freaking chiropractor every week or so. I do this every single day. Use a volleyball, partially deflated, so your back kind of pushes into it. But here we go. We're gonna start with our upper back. Get it right between the shoulder blades, cross your arms, breathe all the way out. Oh, the first pop, that was the main one, but that's how to pop your back with a volleyball. This thing's like, I don't know how much it costs. It could be 15 bucks, could be $20, could be $10, but that will change your freaking life. Whew, that was awesome.